I'm sanding this puppy down and it's gonna become my garden shed, so for all the pots and everything. But right now I am sanding it down and then I'm going to weatherproof it, and it'll be a nice little pretty addition back there. So here's just a little preview of next week's upcoming video. Summer got away from me. I was too busy playing in the garden, and I did not get my little gardening shed done. So I've been sanding this cabinet. It's almost time for me to start painting it.
Yesterday, there was sun, there was rain, beauty in the Monday. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now, there's something in the air, and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Dreamy, breezy.
Keep an eye out for next week's video, where this will be finished and the inside will be all done, and it's going to be so cute and pretty. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.